Well, it's time to have a little catch up about my BSA A7 Shooting Star. There's been a lot going on since I last saw you. I know I said I wasn't going to do a restoration on it, but do you know what, I kept looking at it and I thought the paint isn't original, so why not just give it a sympathetic restoration? And that's exactly what I've done, plus a few other modifications. As you can see, it's been christened already. Look, there you go. It's had the blessing of the birds. I've had a lot of trouble with this magneto. In the end, I just went for an electronic ignition. You can't really tell the difference there, and the motor runs so much sweeter. So anyway, done all the paint. I've had it matched with a spectrograph, so the colour's exact for the year. What else have I done? I've put some halogen lights on it, soon to be changed for LEDs. As you probably noticed there, I've put the American style high-rise bars on it just to lift the appearance a little bit. Well, what I think's lifted the appearance. Got a nice little headlight peak there. Chain guards, chrome, that's all been cleaned up pretty well. Going back to the magneto, those of you who know about magnetos, and the points spin round and the cam rings on the outside of the points. Well, the points were opening on one cylinder 9.5mm before top dead centre, which is right, and the other side it was opening at top dead centre, so you can imagine the engine was running quite lumpy. So I rung around, and to get a magneto repaired is a proper drama, so I had sort of quotes of a 1.5 year waiting list. So I thought, do you know what, let's just stick an electronic ignition on it, there's no shame in that, and now the motor runs absolutely sweet. I've done about 1,000 miles on it now. It's had its second oil change and I'm running it on straight 50 weight oil. So let's take it out and let me show you some of these absolutely beautiful Hampshire roads.